Hey there, this is Niels Beardfoot, and today we are making the Scarab Bag from leather. We're using 2.5mm or 6-ounce veg-tan leather for all the pieces. Print the pattern, trace it on the leather, and cut it out. With the beveler, we want to break the edges and prepare everything for burnishing later on. Next, we can moisten the piece completely and let it set for a bit to apply all the embossing. But first, we want to punch all the holes. With the groove cutter, not cutting but only pushing and marking, we can trace a parallel line to the edge. This helps us for our stamps along there. With the bone photo, we can add some texture all over the piece. Next, we can start dyeing, and here I start with a base layer of teal and then go over it with the airbrush with blue and later on black as well. With some 1000 grit sandpaper, I remove some of the dye to create highlights. The big circle handle I painted also with some acrylic paint in gold. To finish it up, I used some leather finish. Be sure to also put it on the edges so you can use the moisture to burnish them. Now we also want to shape the leather and harden it a bit at the same time. So moisten the piece with some hot water and then take them out, let them set, and we can start shaping. For the legs we mostly want to bend them round. On these mouthpieces we also want to flip this part. Same as with the wing strap. For all the body pieces, a bowl like this, which is mostly round, is perfect for helping you shape it. Just press the moist pieces in there and make sure they take over the shape of the bowl. For the wings, it's a little bit more complicated. All these individual quote-unquote feathers you want to press out in the center, but not on the edges. So they are kind of tube shaped. And after this, to get the overall shape a little bit more interesting, also use the bowl on this part just to give it a more roundish shape. Also, this sewing edge you definitely want to flip upwards. For the opening of the bag we use pressure buttons, and these will be attached here in the face area. Next we can start sewing everything together. On the front part of the belly area we got 4 round holes. 2 of them, these, are for the eyes. The other 2 more centered ones are for the mouthpieces. And here you just want to rivet them in place. And for the eyes, we simply use dome-shaped rivets. The legs also want to be attached through these round holes with rivets. To make sewing together the top and bottom part along the edge easier, you want to moisten it and then bend it a little bit upwards. You want to start sewing from the back butt towards the front. But you want to stop, because there the wings will be sewn in. Just like this. You sew it on till this point, and then you put in between there the wings as well, and then keep sewing. And same goes for the other side. For the circle as a handle, you want to glue both pieces together. Ideally, one of them does not have round holes yet, because this makes lining them up on each other way easier. Not like I did. I had to use some needles to position them correctly. Next, you want to sew them. And after this, clean up the edges by cutting away any excess, grinding it, beveling it, re-dyeing it, and re-burnish it. This ring will now be put into the mouthpieces. And you close them with some rivets. Same goes for the wing straps, the wings, and the circle. You put them in and you rivet them in place as well. And there you go. Scarab Bag completely finished. I like this quite a lot. It is not the usual I can wear it everywhere and it's super practical bag, like I usually do those. But I really like it. It's small, but it's very, very visible. So if you want to be a highlight of the party, that's probably your way to go. Also, the opening this time is on the top, which makes sure that you can wear it top side up and nothing falls out. You can wear it different ways, with your arm through the circle directly, just like a classical lady handbag, or you attach a shoulder strap and wear it over your shoulder. Be sure to let me know what you have as weird ideas for bags down in the comments, and until next time, have a great day!